Hey guys, Fernando from Fixopedia, and I'm gonna try and bring a review segment to the channel. And I'm gonna start out with things that I use, that I like. And now I bought these microphones. I just want to use one, but this was a pretty good deal, $28 if I'm not mistaken, in Amazon. I'll leave the link below. And they are uses dongle to attach to a phone. This is a USB-C, but there's also lightning connections. I think there's a mini USB connection as well. And the two microphones. So I'm gonna unbox this, see what's inside, do a test and see how it performs. So inside we have the case, we have what seems to be these fluffy attachments. This is normally because of wind. If you use it outside, it won't have that sound of the wind passing by. So you've got two of them. Then it seems like there's a manual, English, French, Spanish, Italian, and German. This is the EU version, so depending on which region you buy this from, I'm thinking it's gonna vary. I'll do a test as well with the microphone attached so you can listen on the video how it sounds like. You got this little nifty bag so you can carry it in. Okay, pretty sleek. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but anyway. I already pre-charged this to 100%, so you got a USB-C cable as well. Well, let me just grab a charger here. So you got the charger connector below. Tells you the charge. In this case it's 100% because I already charged it. Yellow casing inside. Got one microphone. Comes with these plastic stickers to protect the plastic, and these little tabs here, they can take it off so it starts charging inside the case. And you can see it has this indicator. I'm gonna go on a limb and guess that it's gonna change. It's probably red or orange when it's charging, and probably green when it's charged. Here you go. Last one doesn't need anything because it connects directly to the phone. So it's pretty cool. It's telling me that it's charging the left and the right when you take it out of the case. Gives you an indicator of how much charge it has. And it's trying to pair. So I'm gonna leave this to charge, and as soon as it goes green, I'll do the rest of the video with sound test. In the meantime, let me just see. So this is the microphone. Okay, so yeah, you connect it on top there. That's how it looks like. This will attach to your jacket, and you can use it hands-free. I'm guessing this is pretty good since it has two microphones. If you two people on a podcast or maybe doing an interview or something like that, will come in handy. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on another phone. I'm gonna connect the transmitter. From what they say, it's blinking green, so now you take the other one out of the case. Make sure that you took that sticker off so it will turn on automatically. If it doesn't turn on automatically, just press the on-off button over here on the side for about 3 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. And this should be on when it's green, solid green, so there you go. Other one, it's pretty fast. Okay, so let's do a test. Okay, so if everything's working as expected, you should be listening to this on the wireless mic. It's green on this, and it's green on the receptor, on the REX receptor that they say. This does not have the attachment on yet. Since we're indoors, there's no need to, but I will be testing it with it. I'm about 30 to 40 centimeters away from the microphone. This is how it sounds like if I'm really close to it, about maybe 5 centimeters away. Now I'm going to put on the attachment. Okay, this is with the attachment. Okay, so this is with the attachment. Don't mind me, I've been working all day. So this is me with the attachment at this distance from my mouth. If I put it on the lapel, it's going to sound like this. If you're looking up, it's going to sound probably a little bit further. Looking down, it's going to maybe sound better. And to the sides, this side and in front. So that's why you see a lot of YouTubers using it directly like this, so they get the best sound quality. I'm going to go walk a few meters away. So I'm probably around 15 meters from the camera, from my phone, in this case. I'm going to go some more so you can see if there's any loss in quality. So I'm about 30 meters maybe from my camera. And as you can see and hear, hopefully, I'll see that in the edit, it should be pretty good. So you can do a whole YouTube video pretty far. This has a range of quite a bit, so I don't think there's any problem using it outdoors. If you blow on a mic on my phone with some wind, okay, now using the wireless microphone without the cap on, the fluffy part. Okay, now with the cap on, the wind's picking up, so hopefully you'll notice a difference. As I said, this is the wireless microphone. The brand is OSA, OSA, and it's the model wireless microphone K6, the brand OSA. I got this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. And if you like the video, thumbs up. If you really liked it, thumbs up and share. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, please. And if you think about buying it, at least check it out on my link in Amazon, and it will help out the channel a lot. Thanks. See you in the next one.